What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have SPX S&P 500 Index. We're going to do a quick top-down analysis. First of all, we are just breaking up right here. As you can see, we broke above that high on the weekly. We can go to the daily. It's okay, daily. It's beautiful range that we're at right now. 4-hour time frame, guys, and we can see that we are having this right here. So on the 4-hour, even if you come right here, it's about to take it higher because again, this is a daily. Also, this area right here too. Both of them. This is my opinion for right now. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.